Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have 2 puppies and 1 Tasman who are dying to open a bark box. Woo! So let's go ahead and open it and see what is inside. Oh my goodness, what is it, Waylon? What is it? Is this your bark box? Oh my goodness, well he took something and she's taking something. She's grabbing it, looks like a snowball. And here's Taz, he's patiently waiting. Sit down, Taz. Do you want a treat, Taz? Sit. Will you sit, please? Taz. Show him that somebody has some sense in his house. Oh my goodness. Haven't they gotten huge? And they're like trying to dig in to get the treat. Oh my goodness, Waylon. Waylon, you're a monkey. Oh, you found one? Well, let me get them out. So it says snowbound hounds. And who knows what they got in this box, but their treats are little snowmen. Oh, and snowman peppers, or peepers. Okay, they're blueberry and lamb. And it looks like they get a third one, which is peanut butter something, and a bar. Peanut butter and carob stick. So, it looks like the pieces of the snowman are what they get. How fun is that? And maybe it looks like this. Sorry that it's so crazy, but let me go ahead and try to open one of these and see what these dogs do. Holy cow. All right, monkeys. Sit. How about you sit? Can you sit? Good job, Taz. Can you sit, Waylon and Winnie? Waylon and Winnie, sit. Oh my goodness. They really do have some manners, guys. They're just so excited. It's crazy. But Taz is over here sitting like a good boy, so he gets one. Waylon, can you sit? Winnie, sit. Sit. Taz, sit. Or wait. Blah, blah, blah. Good job, Waylon. Good job, baby. Good job, Winnie. There you go, baby girl. Everybody gets one. Taz gets 2 because he was sitting long. What do you think? You like those? Oh, goodness. And now it's like so close I can't even get a picture of them. There's my sweet Waylon. Good job, Way. Good job, Winnie girl. Good job, Tasman. Yes, that's my babies. Okay, let me see if I can get another treat for you, or for them. I'm going to open this carob stick, so hold on a second. That's Waylon's nose. Well, that didn't work out too well. They were all crazy, but they finally did sit, and I gave them the carob stick, which is what they're eating now. So let me see if I can show you what they are doing with it. Waylon is enjoying it. And here is what they got. It looks like a little snowman. Winnie was enjoying hers too, and she's over here. Get it? Goofballs. And I don't even know what the other thing was that they got, so I'll have to try to find that. Oh, I think it's over here. Oh, wow. Their toys. Okay, so I think you set the snowman head onto this thing, and it looks like a snowman. What do you think? Do you like it, Winnie girl? I mean, they don't have a clue, obviously, that it's supposed to be a snowman, so they just like to play with the thing. There's a tug on it, I'm trying to pull it off. So yeah, I think it's a success. Again, the bark box. I give it a 10 out of 10, because they just love this thing. So yeah, all 3 of them. Woohoo! There Waylon has it. Thanks, guys. Okay, the dogs are a little calmer now, and we realized that the treats, the peepers and the nose, actually go in the snowman. And so they are going to work on trying to get these. Taz is over here too. He's being a good boy. Oh, Winnie got the nose. And, oh no, that's Waylon. Waylon really is more of a toy player when it comes to, especially with treats in him. He really likes to try to work on that, which is what he's doing now. When he's kind of given up a little bit, she's kind of thinking, I don't know. She loves to chew on toys and destroy toys. She's not much of a player with toys. Waylon will like get in there and dig in and play, and he will squeak, 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 a squeaky toy. He's really trying to get those. I'm holding it so that he can hopefully get one. He is really working hard at trying to get that blueberry eye tree. I really had to push him in there. So it's a cute toy. I mean, I don't know. BarkBox just does a really good job. So here's Winnie, and there's Tasman. Waylon is getting some of it. Oh, he just got it. He got the whole eye. Good job, Waylon. Good job, sweet monkey man. You're a smart boy. You're a smart monkey. You gonna get the other one? You gonna get it? What's Winnie gonna do? What are you doing, Win? You gonna get the toy? You gonna play with the toy? Winnie will probably destroy the toy is what she wants to do. Waylon has it figured out. He knows he has to pull on that to get it out. And I think if I let go, oh, he got it. I think if I let go, he would certainly put his paw on it and... Oh, it squeaks. It squeaks, Waylon. What are you going to do now? You going to get it? So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're just going to play for a little bit. I gave him a walk yesterday. Walking them both together is not a fun or easy task most of the time, but they're getting a little better. Waylon just took it. All right, so that's the end. Thanks, guys. Say bye, Winnie. Say bye, Tasman. I'll sneak Taz another treat because he's a good boy. He's a good old boy, aren't you, Tasman? All right. Thanks, guys.